Adelaide smashes Melbourne and Sydney for house price growth. Adelaide has again recorded the greatest house price growth for the past month, beating both Sydney and Melbourne's cooling markets. According to the latest CoreLogic data, Adelaide house prices grew by 1.7% over the past 28 days, smashing Sydney's 0.4% growth and Melbourne's 1.9% fall for the same period. Adelaide's house price remained stable over the past week, on par with Melbourne, where prices also remained level, in Sydney, where prices grew by just 0.1%. Real Estate Institute of South Australia Chief Executive Greg Troughton said Adelaide's strong short-term value growth was largely driven by supply and demand. "My members are telling me that people from interstate are seeing sensational value here, but the main driver for this growth is that there's just not enough stock on the market at the moment," Mr. Troughton said. "People need to realize that if they want to sell their house for a premium price, now's the time to get on board." Adelaide house prices have grown by 6.3% so far this calendar year, and prices have grown by 4.1% over the past year. "Those numbers are about 33% more than where I expected we would be, so we are really tracking well in that regard," Mr. Troughton said. "But most importantly, we're not into that out-of-control double-digit growth figures we've seen interstate." Adelaide's median house price is currently sitting at $430,000, $307,500 for units. Houses are currently selling within 52 days on average, and the average time on market for units is 71 days. Average vendor discounting is currently 5.8% for houses and 6.1% for units, and Adelaide's auction clearance rate is currently sitting at 64.4%. The top settled sale for the past week is 20 Duncan Road, Beaumont. The 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home sold for $2 million.